Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas.
It is time for the unboxing of my my Walker muffler for the LX. So just to make life easier, I'm going to be taking off the back bumper. Don't want to lose these. At this point, since it's just my beater, you can honestly just rip it right off. Now you got 2 clips down here, which I just took off. And now your bumper is fully off. Make sure to keep this part and just move this off to the side. And now it is 10 times easier to get this exhaust pipe in. In my last video, I said I had new brackets, which I totally thought I did, but I do not. So we're gonna have to improvise. I'm gonna put them through the holes and maybe put some like silicone in here, some adhesive, and put some tape around it, and hopefully that'll hold them off. Also, a little tip, if you're working on like a rusted out car like this, make sure that you have glasses on at all times. I probably should be wearing a protective mask as well, because this rust kind of just crumples up and falls right on you as you're working on the car. So yeah, the muffler pipe is on. I mean, yeah, sort of. It's on these brackets. I put a crap load of Gorilla Tape on it. I put some super glue in between the bracket. I really don't think this is gonna come undone. Crap load of Gorilla Glue, and I got some over there as well. A lot on this one, and the mid pipe is beginning to be installed as well. From there, I just got to connect it to the down pipe, and then pretty much all set. And hopefully, no more loud noises. Our mid pipe is on. Now the only thing I need to do is connect it to the down pipe, and I need to put the bolts on connecting to the muffler and somehow compress those springs, because I can't really get it through the bracket without being able to get the nut on the thread. So just got to figure that out and get on the down pipe, and then we should be all set. So the new muffler is all in there. The new mid pipe is in there, and as you guys can see, it's like hanging down right now, and that is because the down pipe, here, let me just show you guys. If you guys can see, part of the old mid pipe is still rusted onto the old down pipe, the one that I'm going to be using, and so are the old springs and bolts. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get new bolts, new springs, and I'm going to heat that up and just cut that right off. So guys, just broke the GoPro. Yeah, was trying to be fancy and recording myself backing out of the garage. Drove right over it. I'm a meathead. Crap. Well, I wanted the Hero 5 anyways, so. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. I'm getting the FA5 back on the road, so stay tuned for some more videos of the SI. And meeting up with Gerb soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just a bunch of cool things coming on my channel, so subscribe, stay tuned. Peace out, guys.